first of all, I'm so glad to have you, all of you here, and to be a part of this Top Chef competition, let's say. They told me to participate. I'm so excited. I have the lovely girls here with their friends. They prepared such a lovely dishes here, and I wish I can try now. So we will start, and we have the juries here, Ms. Fauzia, Mr. Bilal, Mr. Ahmed, and they would try, they would taste it, and we will not know who's gonna be the first one. We will see, and we're gonna put all the marks over here. So, are you ready to start? I cannot hear from the first row. Are you ready to start? Okay. So, on 1, 2, 3. Let's get started with the first team, the burger team. So, who's gonna present the burger team here? Over here, please.
My name is Mariam. I am 11 years old. I'm grade 7, and we're making burgers.
Okay, so as I can see, they look so delicious. If you can tell me only the ingredient you use, very quick.
Yeah, we made a sauce, a mix of sauces, lettuce, tomatoes, meat, cheese, and more. This meal that we made it with love, effort, and hard work. Hope you like it. Have a good meal. Have a good meal.
So, how was it?
Until I finish.
Do you need some sauce or something?
Okay, about the presentation, it's okay. I can see some burned potatoes and onion rings, but the burger is rich in taste. I like it. Thank you very much. I'm going to give 10 out of 15.
10 over 15. Okay, so over here it's gonna be 10.
Well, first of all, thank you for your effort and this Western lovely dish, as you know. I like how it's put together, well organized. About the taste, it's good. I will go for 11.
11. Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay, so me 4 out of 30. So it's a greasy for my taste. I like it. Potatoes was okay. So for me, 20 out of 30.
20.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be 20. Okay, thank you so much, Mariam. Now let's get started with the second group, which is gonna be Capsa team. Wow. Okay. Hello. I can tell the presentation as well. Okay, hello girls.
Hi.
So if you can please introduce yourself and what do you do here?
My name is Jana. I'm grade 9 IG.
Yes. What did you choose Capsa for? Is that your favorite plate?
Kind of, right? Yeah, kind of. We decided to make something new because everybody's doing burger and pizza. Like, you know, these things, it's easy. So we decided to do something with rice. So
Very nice. I can say like the rice or what did you use with the rice?
we put the capsa spices.
The most
And-
important thing.
What is it?
So we put the capsa spices on like the rice and the chicken and the others like waraq al-ghar, I don't know what's it called in English. And like so many things. There's more than one thing. Yeah.
You know all that stuff. You know how to cook.
Yeah.
Or did you learn it in school with your friends?
Oh, well, actually, I learned it before one day. My mom taught me. And then one day, and then I went to school.
That was nice. Okay.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it, and we made it like from our heart. We really want you to like it, and it's kind of originally hot, like spicy. So it's kind of spicy.
It's kind of warning, huh?
Yeah, it's kind of.
Keep the water beside.
Thank you for choosing Capsa. It's one of my favorite meals. So maybe I'm gonna be a little bit judgy. I don't know, maybe because it's my favorite meal. But the chicken is well cooked. It's very well cooked. I like it. It's spicy. I love spicy food. Yeah. My only thing is that maybe a little bit of salt. It's lacking a little bit of salt.
Yeah, we kind of wanted to put salt, and then we didn't kind of have
It's okay, but I like it. Thank you very much. I'm gonna give 13 out of 15.
Oh, very nice.
Hello, future chef. Well, first of all, I will not take any side because they are my students, but I will say that, yes, regarding my taste, the rice is well cooked. I like it. Although I'm not a spicy food fan, right? Regarding the chicken, I believe maybe it can be more well done for this, but overall, it's very good. I would go for 14.
Okay, for me it's spicy, but I enjoy spicy food. By the way, I enjoy spicy food. But the spiciness over actually poured the capsaicin flavor. So, can I please 22.
Okay, fine. Thank you, girls. So move on from the capsa with the rice, everything, and back to the snacks again. And let's go this pizza team. Where's the pizza team? Okay, hello there.
My name is Ragad. I present to you this Italian dish that me and my team put a lot of hard work and effort on it. We hope you enjoy it and have a nice meal.
Did you make the dough or did you prepare?
Oh, make the dough. Yeah,
Really? Wow.
We hope you enjoy as much as we enjoyed preparing it.
Okay, about the pizza. I'm not a big fan of ketchup with pizza. But I'm not gonna judge the ketchup, okay? The pizza, I like it. It's rich in taste. It's actually good. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to give 14 out of 15.
Wow. Wow. Okay, so let's get started with the 14.
It looks like you have done a great effort on this one, and obviously I believe this is one of the most favorable dish for everyone in the world. It's tasty. I like it. I would go for 14.
14 too.
Ragad, your performance was amazing yesterday. You and your team too. Okay, the dough was fluffy and soft. I like it. I'm going for 29. Yes.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, thank you so much, Rahan. So move on from the pizza team to muffin team. I'm pretty sure you want to test or everyone want to take just one bite. So please, after you here, the muffin team, prepare. Hello there.
Hello.
So I can see something sweetie here. So if you can just tell us about the muffin.
Firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Farah. I'm from the IGCSE Girls Group class, and I am presenting the muffin cake. Muffins is a very famous French pastry. Our muffin cakes are fluffy, their chocolate is melty, and they're warm. It's the perfect dessert to eat on a cozy autumn day.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have.
Did you add any chocolate, any flavor?
We have a chocolate muffin and a vanilla one.
I like the decoration on the top. Like, that was very nice.
First, about the presentation, it's very sophisticated. I like it.
Thank you so much.
It looks very good. It's the perfect amount of sweet. I really love it. I enjoyed it, and I want more. I'm going to give 15 out of
50. Wow.
Well, I believe I can't say nothing more than this. The texture is fluffy, and I like it. The taste, I believe it's perfect, and I go as well 15.
Your performance was amazing yesterday. Wonderful. Yeah, I liked your performance very much. It's too sweety. So for me, 22.
22?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. And let's go move on to the cake team. I was looking at the hallway. Okay, please. Okay, welcome here. And as I can say, I'm matching with the cake, so I need to have a piece of it.
Okay, you can.
So please introduce yourself and what did you do with that cake?
My name is Farah. I'm a GCSE girl, grade 10. Me and my friend, we choose the cake because like the most famous dessert at the world, and it's easy in baking and like things, and and is present in every happy moment days like weddings, birthdays, and we choose the vanilla type flavor because it's the most like everyone have to like it, and I hope you join it.
Any secret ingredient with that?
Oh yeah, and we have a banana inside it.
Any cream inside? Like
Yeah, of course. Whipped cream, we choose the dark and light purple color, and white cream.
They are enjoying that. Should I put 30 and all the marks?
Thank you for the cake. Purple is my favorite color, so I love the design. It's very good. The taste. I think now every time I need cake in my parties, I will call you.
Oh, that's very nice.
I'm gonna give 15 out of 15. Thank you.
Okay, the first 15.
Thank you for your effort. I love it very much. It's well textured and organized. Despite it's creamy, but I like it. Everything good. I would go 15 as well.
The designing and everything, the taste, even the taste is really nice. I liked it. It's creamy, juicy, and fluffy at the same time.
Come on, give her a good note, Mark.
I think it's bad. I don't know.
30 out of 30.
Wow, that's a good one. Very nice. Okay, cinnamon rolls to go. So please open here. So I guess that's your favorite dish.
Well, it's not my favorite dish, but it has a lot of precious memories to me because I usually cook it with my sisters, and the first time we cooked it, we kind of failed and burnt it, but it was still fun. Yeah, it was still fun to make it.
So till now you learn how to do it.
Yes.
Know how to bake it. That's good. So what are the important ingredients for cinnamon roll?
The most important ingredients are mostly flour, cinnamon, sugar, and butter or any other solid fat.
Whoa, very nice. So I guess we are gonna gain some calories.
Yes, a little bit.
So any secret ingredient?
The secret ingredient is love. That's the only thing you need.
Yeah, we all survive. Please.
Okay, when I was cutting it, I was so happy because it's very soft and fluffy. Thank you. The taste is very rich. The perfect amount of cinnamon. I love it. So I'm going to give 14.
14.
First of all, from the very beginning of taking a look on this dish, I like it before taste it. It's well decorated, but about the taste, it's richy as well. Fluffy inside, I like it. I would go for 15.
Your performance was amazing yesterday, exquisite. And your efforts are highly appreciated, you and your friend Hanin as well. I love your cinnamon, so 28.
28. Thank you so much. We tried everything here, and now it's time to what? The count all the marks. So as you can have here, the burger team 41, and the kapsa team. Let's get started here. Yeah, give me a minute. Okay, yeah, the 49. The pizza team 57. Over here 50, 55, 2, 50, 52. Here, yeah, the cake. And the cinnamon rolls, I guess, 57. Yes. So we have good marks here. Yeah. And well, who's gonna get the first place is actually cake team. Can we have a big clap for him?